Dang paper cut. Why do these things hurt so bad? Hi, I'm Dr. Andy Sommer with Sommer Family Chiropractic. I think an even better question is, not why does this hurt so bad, but how does your body even go about healing something like a cut? You ever thought about that? Whether it's a paper cut or you accidentally slice your finger when you're cutting fruit or vegetables, that cut, when you put a Band-Aid on there, clean it up, within a couple weeks is almost brand new again. Your body has this amazing innate ability to regulate itself and heal itself. Well, today you're going to learn about how it heals itself and how that's related to chiropractic. Dang, that's a lot of stuff. You know, every member that's come into my office this week has said, Doc, how much time do you have on your hands? That probably took you forever to put up there. You know, it did take a while, but it was worth it because rarely do we think about how our body heals and how it's related to chiropractic. You see, when we have an insult or injury, just like the paper cut you saw back there, your body first does two very important things. Well, your brain recognizes that something bad has happened, and if it's something like a cut or an injury, it releases what's called leukocytosis-inducing factor. That's a long word for saying your white blood cell count skyrockets. Your body needs to build up its defense system in order to fight off the bacteria or the pathogens that just got in your finger. Another interesting thing that happens is that your body releases histamine. Now, some people think, well, I don't like histamine. That makes my eyes itch and my nose runny, and I don't like that feeling, so I take an antihistamine. Well, if you have an imbalance in body chemistry, yeah, histamine can maybe cause some of those things, but histamine is a very important factor in how you heal. Histamine leads to your arteries being able to open up, your capillaries, the little tiny blood vessels, to become permeable so cells can pass through them, and it also attracts the immune system in. Now, as your body starts to bring these immune cells in, more blood flow is coming to the area, the arteries are opening up. This is what's called inflammation, because there's more blood coming to the area, and blood is warm, so inflamed, it becomes hot or red or swollen, and sometimes it can become painful. But this is a temporary process for your body to fight off, clean up, repair itself properly. There's also some things, protein-rich fluids that come into the area, platelets to clot up if it's a bad cut. And your body does all these things in order to heal itself and recover and move on. Now, if the injury is bad enough, obviously you need to go to the hospital and get stitched up. But in general, most injuries can heal themselves without any doctor's intervention. Chiropractic is related to this through the nervous system. How does your body communicate? How does the brain know, number one, that there is an injury? Number two, how does the brain control all those factors? White blood cells, platelets, that's through the nervous system. Now, if you have a subluxation or interference in the nervous system, no longer is your brain able to communicate with your body effectively. What's the problem with that? Well, maybe you won't heal in the time that you're supposed to. Maybe this is an ongoing injury for you. Sometimes maybe the healing process just doesn't happen very well at all. Now for me, when I was in college, I was one of those people that had an ongoing injury. I'm not going to say that chiropractic fixed me, but I'm going to tell you when I started to change my lifestyle, get adjusted, and do many other things that were helpful to my body, I healed. And here I am running again today instead of being stuck in the injury. Hope you learned something today about how your body heals. There's more to come in the future. I'm Dr. Andy with Sommer Family Chiropractic. Don't forget to share this video. We'll see you next time.